The space probe Rosetta of the European Space Agency ESA completed its mission on Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko in September 2016, but the data that the orbiter transmitted is still being analyzed and continues to give a new perspective of the distant space object. We have already seen several images captured by Rosetta. The ESA accident landed the orbiter on the surface of the comet to finish its work, but months earlier it issued a series of images of the surface of the alien comet. The shots, taken by OSIRIS of the probe or the Remote Optical, Spectroscopic and Infrared Imaging System, were released last month. Normally, these images are blurred from a distant spatial object. The short clip, in a loop, not only shows the surface appearance of a distant comet, but also reveals dozens of active motes commonly seen during snowstorms on Earth. These spots look like snowflakes, but it is actually an illusion created by different aspects: stellar bodies in the background, sunlit dust blowing on the comet, and possibly highly charged particle stripes that hit the attached OSIRIS camera to the load.